What's up, Thrill Nerds? Quick update here for the new year. Coming in strong with the lift hill being finished up. It looks like they're adding a bunch of railing and walkways along that. So we'll see a couple of those pieces going up in the next couple days. When standing next to this thing, it looks a lot bigger than it does on pictures or on video. I don't have a ton to cover when it comes to circuit breaker. I could tell you all sorts of stuff that's going on, but none of it's really new. I will say, however, that I met the installation supervisor from Vekoma, and he said he's going to be on site for about 3 more weeks and then go to Ohio. So that leads me to believe that the track installation will be complete in about 3 weeks. There is a ton of activity going on site with crews from White Construction, which is a construction company here in Austin, as well as Vekoma's installation crew and Ride Entertainment and electrical companies. They're all out here working pretty much every day, seemingly going pretty quick compared to what I've seen previously. I will say it's been a huge difference from when I first started following the site until now, where construction really seems ramped up across the entire park. Right here is the T20 building, which is the next structure that I imagine to be pouring concrete, as well as the log flume right around this area, and then the other flat rides going up this hill towards Palindrome. The T20 building, which is well underway for turn 20 of the racetrack, is a 2-story building with a restaurant, a bar, and a market. The top floor is going to be a bar with an overview of the racetrack, as well as a good view of downtown Austin. Just north of that is the log flume, as well as some flat rides and another ice house and some restrooms. Here's a view from Circuit of America's Boulevard. Not as good as the overhead view, but you can see how busy construction is here, and you can see the racetrack in the background, knowing how close it is. Now with a quick overview of the area, to the right here is where the Sky Blazer attraction is going to go, which is like a group sky coaster. It'll be the tallest attraction at Cotaland, and we should see it going up very soon along with the log flume. If you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you so much. If you want to give this video a like and then follow my account, it'll inspire me to make more videos like this.